nami nginje ngiyayisaba to the point ukuthi uyak-inboxa umuntu and then ufuna ukucheck i-message angithi ukuthi ubani umuntu sekakuthumela ama-private parts, then my mind is saying to me uthi uyongirape. I know ukuthi lo muntu uyongenzani. Maybe to date someone it is a must ukuthi ube intimate naye. You understand?
Yeah.
Not let it be. Ngalala naye, ngahamba ngaye ekhaya. I've been raped too many times. Now the only thing efika emqondweni wami, let me go and be a prostitute.
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and we are doing this again. Guys, I will keep doing this. I'm not going to stop. As long as you guys keep coming, I'm going to keep shooting. And whatever stories you have that you want to share, I'm going to keep sending them out so that more people could learn from these different experiences that we are learning from this platform. Thank you so much for reaching out to our guests and, sending them messages of encouragement. That's what you guys always do. And I really just want to give a thumbs up to you guys. I just haven't done proper research to find out who's texting, what are their handles. But maybe one day I should so that I can give proper credit where it's due. But yeah, without wasting time, if you want to, find yourself sitting here with me and you want to be my guest and sit right next to me and tell people about your experiences and learnings, I really don't mind. Please don't hesitate to contact us on the number that we're going to display on the screen. This is the Hope Revolution podcast, and yeah, let's get into it and welcome our guest. Sisikunjani? Nkhona. Maybe let me first start by thanking you for your patience. Okay. And also taking the time to come through and share what you have to share for us. Usisi ngizothi ubani wakuphi?
Igama lami nomkhosi Doreen Msomi, ngiphuma Orlando West.
Okay.
Ekhilani, yes.
Oh, nice. Orlando West, nice. Yeah. Yeah, nami ngiselokishini Soweto. But singathi eClinic Soweto, I don't think so.
Semasababsi.
Extension 31. Ngale musu ya Randfontein, cabanga. Suphumile naso Soweto.
Yes. Sort of.
Yeah, so can you tell me a little bit more about your upbringing, ukhula kuphi kanjani,
Oh, okay. Firstborn ngumama.
Okay.
C3. Kulandela intombazana kulandela umfana. So nomkhosi khulu kumntana hyperactive.
Okay.
Mangifikile endaweni bekumele nginotice ukuthi ngifikile endaweni. Ngikhule njengoba ngithi ngikhule ngiyi1 eqala ekhaya, ngafila ukuthi nami I need nami phela abanye abantwana abanabobhuti nabozizi. So without me knowing ukuthi kuze kube khona omunye umntwana kwenziwani, ngikhule ngithanda ne-makeup.
Okay.
That's one thing. Ngikhule ngithanda ukumodla, to do acting, all of those things.
Okay.
Ngikhule ngidlala ke estradeni noma ngithunywa eshop. Ngikhohlwa into engithunywe yona. Qale ngidlala aboScope Dibolo, abobati, abodibeke. Hayi, nezwipi.
Yeah, cabanga. I was elokishini ngamampela, useSoweto ngamampela. Abozwipi. Abozwipi bekuyizinto bebasishaya thina emakhaya masidlala izwipi.
Nami bengishaywa. Njengoba ngisho ngithi bengikhohlwa nento ebengithunywe yona. And mase sidlala izwipi besingayi emakhaya ne.
Okay.
Siyadlala siyawina sesekhona ihalf brown. So half brown.
Yeah.
Sithi ma chips inyana sifake phakathi sihlale siyadla lapha yana ngapha siyazwipa yabona
ngala nithunyiwe
sithunyiwe ene mawubona ukuthi I'm desperate la ngidinga imali, the only way kumele ngithola imali kumele ngiyodlala izwipa yabona mawushala phana bona ukuthi mawuthi so uyayilukura kancane ukuthi bafake
izandla lezi bezinjani
ungayiphathi. But ngaleso sikhathi leso it was so nice to the point ukuthi we had an opportunity to go out and play. Nini sesidlalisa esigangeni abomama nabo baba khona uzoba inkukhu lo ngathi uthulile enyana sibenza inkukhu make eqala ethi kuku lokhu siqeda nokungena ingubeli nje wena yabona mawungena endlini soyitshontsha rice nyana soyabheka umzali ukuthi uhleyiphi atshontsha rice nyana impuphu nyana sipheka emathinini
kulamathini tin stuff.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sipheke lapho, and remember the more masiloku angithi sesabantwana siyakhula khona nje mhlambe lo mfana engimbonile yabona ngithi lwana makungaba ubaba wasendlini so angithi manje kumele siphikhana ngithi ubani uzoba yini ngubaba bese naye ayaqala ngubaba ngithi wena ubaba wakwami wena nalo like those things but now unfortunately asenzeki.
Manje no, we're digital now. Yeah, we're playing. Hey, yeah, no, that opens a whole list of other topics, eh? Yeah, because now, we're hearing so many things where there's a whole lot of things because you don't know who you're playing with. That's the unfortunate thing. And, this other person is so experienced at the game that you're playing. And you find that they're not the person that you thought they were. And unfortunately, even in these innocent games, there's this one game, because I guess you've got Facebook, Instagram, and digital environment where these kids are playing. But now we've got these Minecraft games, Roblox as well, where these pedophiles are online as well, playing with our kids there. And I've seen so many cases, so many stories, and it's such a tricky situation because as a parent, how do you monitor that and regulate it?
You can't. It's a bit difficult to monitor those things because remember nabantwana bethu they want to experience abo Facebook nan and mangithi ngiyathula ngiyabheka most yabazali always bathanda uku-advise abantwana babo especially nge-Facebook angikufuni ube ne-Facebook nami nginje ngiyayisaba to the point ukuthi uyak-inboxa umuntu and then ufuna ukucheck i-message angithi ukuthi ubani umuntu sekakuthumela ama-private parts. Let me tell you about Facebook. Sishelwa every day. Ngiyathanda ngithi ubona isithombe sami kuphela and la uhlala khona usedebeni mara ungitshela ukuthi uyangithanda ngiseJoburg. La uhlala khona abekho abantu like ongabathanda ini you understand? So i-Facebook is dangerous to the point ukuthi uthola umuntu wesifazane ekhumulile enqono and doing funny stuff, funny things. Ubona ukuthi lo muntu futhi angabacabangeli abantwana bakhe. Because remember manje sowukhulile unabantwana. You don't only represent yourself, you represent abantwana bakho, you represent ifamily, you represent your friends.
That's true.
Now sengizovela ku Facebook ngebikini nangebra doing this movement zokuseduce umuntu and all of those things. What are we saying about those things? And kunabomama abadala who know how to seduce abantwana abancane. And abantwana abancane nabo because they will tell you ukuthi no sifuna experience or real mama uzongipha R100 every day ngikwazi ukuthenga idatha ngikwazi ukuthenga ukuthi. So some of the things zibhlungu and we don't have a control. Yes.
Yeah, in most instances I would expect our mama to be the ones who are the defenders and the people that are not the aggressors mostly. But it's unfortunate that you hear such things happening. And the platforms themselves are not well regulated enough to protect the young ones. Because the moment angena ku Facebook, the algorithm feeds him whatever he wants to see. So they are groomed by the platform before they're actually groomed by someone who will take advantage of them. By that time, loyo muntu make fika kubo, it's already late. They are ready for whatever he or she is going to present to them. But yeah, I think without wasting time, I wanted to find out ukuthi umama ubekwa yini la namhlanje.
Oh, okay. I'm here to share itori zam.
Okay.
I will say itori. My personal experience yizo zigcine zingenza ukuthi ngibe a motivational speaker and I felt ukuthi lezi zinto mazenzeka bengizignora but 2015 I felt ukuthi it means ukuthi khona izinto kunento ekumele ngiyifunde in all of this so that I can go ngazisa abantu ukuthi elifeini kunento eso rather than for me ukushare into engiyifunde phansi engayi-experienceanga.
Yeah.
So I felt ukuthi okay, maybe my journey engibekelwe yona is to motivate abantu.
Okay.
That is when now I've started okay.
Yeah.
And after the introspection,
Yes.
I'm like, I can do this because one thing I know how to talk.
Yeah.
That's one thing about
Yeah.
But when it comes to ukhuluma,
Yeah.
I know how to talk.
No, thank you so much for opening up and we be willing to share. Because the most difficult thing that we, encounter is people are very uncomfortable with their stories. They are very uncomfortable with their experiences and they are fearful of opening up. So to find people that are willing to open up and still be able to carry other people's burdens, that's a plus. But I'm curious about the stories. I really want to know, Guti, what happened to you and move us to a point where you go through these stories and bring us to where you are now. But let's start with the stories.
Okay. This is how I always introduce myself. Nomkhosi Doreen Msomi, a motivational speaker, a gender-based violence and femicide activist. Indlovukazi, the lioness, queen of Chiscop, Ichiri yaseKasi, usistero waseKasi, Maulid waseKasi, Vandalicious, Pansulakazi.
Oh, nice.
And Mrs. Soweto Personality 2022-2023, Mrs.
Okay.
Soweto Humanitarian 2024-2025, Miss Diva Mom Charity Travelerizer, Miss Diva Mom Queen of Diamond 2025-2026,
Yo.
and Miss Inspiration First Princess 2025-2026. A rape survivor,
Okay.
being raped 8 times
Sure.
by 8 different people, and I know all of them.
Sure.
And I'm living with HIV for 27 years now. I've attempted to suicide 11 times. Been diagnosed with trapezius, and I'm a widow, and I've recently survived more than 10 minor strokes. So, as much as ngishilo kuqaleni ukuthi life yami, it's like something ezilokhu zenzakala, and I ended up accepting ukuthi before I go out and talk, I have to go through some things engizokwazi ukuthi
Yeah,
ngikhulume
ukhulume
ngazo.
ngazo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yaba ngishilo ukuthi I don't know, being arrested 3 times but not convicted.
Okay.
Yes. So now ngalesa sikhathi kwenzakala lezinto bengingakahili. Even now I wouldn't even say ngihilile, because there's one thing, you never heal. You can forget, but you won't heal whether you like it or not. Ungahamba 10 million psychologists or what.
Yeah.
As long as usaphefumula, there will be things that will trigger. Then if we are igleo journey yokuhila, those things will come and trigger you, but you won't act ngalendlela obo acta ngakhona before uthi now I'm healing. Yes. I think I was 15 or 16 mangiqala ukurapewa. This guy kune concert esikoleni, so ngihlala eduze kwesikole, it's not far away. So besi actor, then nalontombazana sathi no, ithi sambe sekhaya sobeka lezinto and then sizobuyela. On our way back sihlangana nalomfana, he was a gangsterism ibhoza yakhona. As busy, everyone was afraid of him ke esikoleni, even the educators. Then the guy athi kimi, woza la sikhuluma ukuthi wayengishayela vele, woza la sikhuluma. Then ngime naye eceleni, ugirl angimele athi kimi, let me tell you, if awuhambi nam, I'm going to take your friend, and mangithatha umngani wakho ngizohamba nani noyi-2, and what I'm going to do ngizorape umngani wakho ukuthi ungibhekile. And I was like, eish, and umngani wami ke she was quiet even namanje usese quiet and ngavele ngathi ku girl no you can go hamba yabona uthi ngikhulume yabona wahamba ugirl sambe no guy sijampe isporo so masiqeda ukujampa isporo there's a school masingena esikoleni approaching ama classes ngiyabona kunabafana badlala ama dice abangani bakhe then bese ngibona ukuthi oh okay ngisewa lapha yana then my mind is saying to me uthi uyongirape I know ukuthi lo muntu uyongenzani even though ngaleso sikhathi igama le rape bengalazi ukuthi definitely ukuthi lichaza ukuthini so I'm like yo ngiyambona uyongifaka lapha eclassini okay athi kimi imalanga sachama makema esachama ngigijime mangigijima ngihlangane nomunye umama khona wayezilile yabona ngigijime ngisifihle kulo mama because ngizitshe ukuthi umuntu omdala umuntu wesifazane athi kimi lo mama ungazozenza ngathi umuntu oyindoda umazi suka la kimi yafika ngidonze sambe singene eclassini angiripe on top of a school desk now ingqondo yami ithi okay wenza lento ayenzayo what if laba bazongena and they were more than 10 my mind is playing tricks on me ukuthi yo mangaba pregnant lana umama uyashayana you understand and ukuba mithi usesemncane ukuba ihlazo you understand manje make ngamitha la ngizomkhomba happy lo mfana ngisazophinde ngimbone all of those things no aqeda ukurape ngibuyele ekhaya angifike ekhaya I acted like everything is fine I remember mamkhulu wami ngithi mayamba ngithengele itape store but I went to store ngithengele itape there was a guy that I was dating also next door but we were not even intimate intimacy ke kimi ayingekho ngaleso sikhathi leso then sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ngiyogeza ntambama I went to the bathroom ngageza the moment ngigeza everything came back kwaba ngathi manje lo mfana ngiyamfila like the way bengigeza ngakhona ngizi scrubber ngakhona ukuthi ngathi angaphuma kuma pores because ngathi like unamathele like ngigeza ngiqede this happened on a Saturday Monday mangesikoleni the whole school knew but another version another version and boy lo i-girlfriend yakhe ngifunda naye eclassini ngibona nje the way ngibhekwa ngakhona esikoleni mangena ukuthi no something is not okay mase ngingena eclassini ngiyobeka nje incwadi zami ugirl ezekimi athi yakudala vele ngibona ukuthi umuntu wami uyamfona ngithi ukhuluma ngani athi umsejusile ngithi umsejusile ungitshelile ukuthi ulalile naye I can't even ngimtshele the whole story because already uguy seka planted the seed to ugirl ngene ngihlale like ngilele ngibheke phansi so because ngisaba nokubabheka ukuthi what is happening now ulanda nabangani bakhe ugirl like kuyangenwa kuyaphunwa yabona yadala vele umuntu wami emfuna ini and uguy uyewatshela nabanye he was boasting to them ukuthi ngimtholile nina niyahluleka ukuthi nimthole ukuze istop le nto istop ngoba sengithi mina I'm going to tell umam there was only one teacher akade bemsaba
okay
yes ngithi no ngihamba mina ngitshela umam mabasa ukuthi you are doing this to me yabona then that is when
they stop
yes then ngalinda ke ukuthi at least kuphela inyanga ke then inyanga mayiphela I went to my parents to my period time I was like oh okay at least I'm not pregnant I'm safe and leyo secret leyo is safe akekho umuntu engizomtshela then there was a guy was next door yasekhaya azange ngirape like physically but besithi masibhekelele iTV remember iTV mayifika not zonke izindlu bezinama TV so kwenzekile ukuthi kanti kubo bazothenga iTV and la ngihlala khona ngithi ama double so ngizojumpa ama sekushaya isikhathi sokuthi ngijumpe ngiyobhekelela iTV remember I'm dating ubrother wakhe now masihleli sibhekelela iTV I will be in between kube yibo ngapha nangapha then uzoza neblanket simbathe ingubo now masimbathe ingubo angithi sonke sibhekele la box siyazibuza ukuthi bangene kanjani laba bantu we want to know everything each and everything the moment sihleli then uzoqala fake isandla so then uzongimova yabona so this one uyezwa but naye ngoba akusukubo lapha yana uncenga indawo yokuhlala yabona
uba brother
yes the one that I was dating so until kuze kufike to the part yokuthi sengivulekile manje imilenze the way afuna ngakhona that is when azongifaka izandla zakhe ngaphakathi fine and loyo bekathandwa umamama mina ngikhule as if ngathi ubhuti wami omdala I'm like I can't even say this kumamama maybe umamama uzocabanga ukuthi nginomona wokuthi ngoba uthanda lo mfana lona yabona fine no kubeke ngithulele and uguy bekathi makefikile kubo akasahlali kubo bekathi makefikile kubo nasekhaya bebezwa ngami yo ngibona usibanibani ingakangikhathazi yonke leyo nto leyo ingikhathaze seku after I think about it took me 30 years before ngizokwazi ukuthi ngikhulume like this year I'm turning 51 so kwa escalate again the rape things then there's I'm even afraid of saying because I don't know ukuthi ngimbize ini cousin brother he was closer nomamkhulu then cousin brother bekahlala eDurban cousin brother mageza he will call and say ungalali ngizofika ebusuku yabona akuna problem ngizokulinda yabona mamkhulu make hambe emsebenzini the cousin brother will do whatever afuna ukuyenza kimi sometimes mamkhulu make ehleli dining room thina sise kitchen the cousin brother will come and spank me to the point ukuthi bengigcina ngisaba ukuya ukuthi ngibe naye yeah understand fine cousin brother uma ezothola unkosikazi and let me tell you yabo ngibheka kanjani umfundisi
hey
so njengoba awumfundisi ezothatha isitulo sobufundisi kumele ashade akakwazi ukuba umfundisi engenankosikazi unkosikazi wakhe mina bengingamazi let me say igirlfriend yakhe because bekusese igirlfriend bengayazi sengizwa mamkhulu athi hayi uyashada phela umzala yabona so umzala make eshada kumele siye khabo ntombazana remember khabo guy kuse Durban so can I ask you this can I say their names or you are fine when I'm saying uguy or
if you've broken it before if you've said it before publicly
okay the guy's name the cousin brother uXolani
okay
so uXolani uyashada ini I'm like uyashada lo muntu mosungenza izinto ekumele ngabe uzenza umuntu wakhe mara mina sengiphenduke umuntu wakhe yabona okay fine kuyiwe emshadweni ngiyababona ke sekuhleliwe lapha yana nabanye befundisi phela yabona so ngifuna ukubona mina ugeli like there is this thing pushing me efuna ukuthi khuluma I'm like umamkhulu wami uthatha uXolani as umntanakhe and njengoba begcwele so who's going to believe me because if ngizoyikhuluma manje kuzobonakala ngathi nginomona ngoba sekayashada we understand bekumele angashadi ugelo bekumele ashade mina yabona fine ngithule as much as ngisho ukuthi the things ebengizisaba it was for me to become pregnant so njalo uma ngizoya emaphirotini I'll be like I am happy
okay
ngile emaphirotini had to move from Orlando West ngiye Orange Farm mama mbekahlala Orange Farm ngimove ngeOrange Farm I will date someone but the intimacy emqondweni wami ayikho still maybe uqoka kahle or usmart all of those things then there would be those ebengibadate ngaleso sikhathi leso nabo they did rape me lo ngangifunda naye eclassini Ay angishele mina ngabona nge-rose nge-Valentine Valentine's Day you receive your rose I'm like yo angaze ngithola i-rose and akakaze angishele lo muntu athi hayi sengiyakushela ke yabona bembele nje ukuthi beyi-Valentine okay uyachama in all of those things at la ngizospoil so one day I'm going to school angene angithola eklasini hayi phumela ngaphandle sokhuluma yabona angikwazi nokuscream ke that's one thing about me angikwazi nokuscream athi siphumele ngaphandle masiphumela ngaphandle athi ayasambe sekithi bekahlala ePalm Springs I remember nje his name but isibonga ngisasikhumbula bekukhatha okay fine sambe ePalm Springs sifike kuba kunabantu sithu yo daya bona la ayilana phela lana kahle kahle futhi lo mfana uzongilala fine the actions says it all ukuthi vele ngifuna ukulala nawo gijime ngekitchen mangifika ekitchen ngithola omunye ummessage omkhulu esinkini nguthatha ummess ngithi yo mangimgwaza bazongibuza ukuthi ngifike kanjani la and what if ngiyamgwaza uyashona sengiyoboshwa phela manje angeke ngisaqhubeka nesikolo angeke ngisayenza izinto ebengiloko ngizenza uya understand oh okay maybe to date someone it is a must ukuthi ube intimate naye you understand
yeah
not let it be ngalala naye ngahamba ngaye ekhaya angisakwazi phela ukuya esikoleni ekhaya if ngena ngo3 uma mama ungiexpecte ngo3 o'clock if ngizongena ngo5:03 mama mbeka kushaya and there was once la umama ake angishaya khona umfana uqeda ukuyongirape bangifika ekhaya ngifika late mangena umama wangishaya couldn't even say to her ukuthi unomuntu oso ongenze into eso you understand bekuzoba ngathi maybe I'm making an excuse sihlukane noKhatha met someone uPatrick I remember isibongo sakhe uPatrick Banda bekahlala eOrange Farm Patrick bekana ama girlfriend amaningi
yeah
uPatrick bekana ama girlfriend amaningi
yeah
so there was this one akade athandana naye besimbiza umamkhulu
okay
bekathi make qhamuka uHilda everyone besimuva because nangumnikazi wendawo yabona then thina uPatrick uzoza anyonyobe in then uHilda wagcina ethola ukuthi ngithandana noPatrick ngoba nje argument nyana make hlangana nami estradeni angithembisa impama ili okay fine then one day sekuzongena iwinter angilande naye esikoleni hayi Dorina sambe pupu ngiyagijima phela ngisaba nokushaywa ngaleso sikhathi leso sambe masifika kabo Patrick athi no hlala relaxa khumula ne iblazer nami ngikhumule ngibeke lapha kune plate kwenziwe the fruit salad banana apple berry like beke prepared ukuthi vele yolanda mina kune juice food ngithi this guy was prepared ukuthi uyongilanda okay no ungadla noma yini uyifunayo okay kahle kahle wayungilethela athi no sense mina ngithandana nawe angaze ngilale nawe ngithi but mina angikho kulomqondo ukuthi ngifuna ukulala nawe angifuni ukulala nawe until maybe ngireach a certain age we understand no athi whether you like it or not it's going to happen today okay I remember ngikwazi ukuscreama ngisaba ukushaywa ngigwala wangirape fine wa continue until kuze kube ku8 yabo ngifake iring ngapha yabo ngifake iring ngapha indoda yayingishadile
okay
he raped me twice the first time make ngirape azange ngize ngithathele kopto remember masi advisor emakhaya kuthiwa mawushada angithi khona bo auntie nabo gogo abas advisor you have to be submissive to your husband like oh okay and I remember ngathi mase ngishada umamkhulu wami wathi kimi yeah angithi ubona ukuthi ngcono uyithole edoza ngoba mawula ekhaya lento ifunayo awuyitholi yabo okay so the second time make ngirape we watching TV umntana usendlini kubo So uyangibamba into no I'm tired yabona out of nowhere angisaboni emehlweni kanti ungithele ngephepper spray.
Hayibo. Your husband?
Yes. Remember sihlala kube eRomini ne? Now I'm using my mind. Ukuthi umnyango okuphi? Angikhona ukuvula amehlo. Ngiyazazi musa ngithi izinto ezila eRomini. Ngithi mangafika nje eminyango ngivula umnyango because ngiyasha ngathi ngathola into ebandayo. The moment ngibamba ihandle yomnyango iphuki ihandle yomnyango. Iphuki ihandle. Ngithi kuye ngivulela umnyango ngifuna something ebandayo. Athi no ungafaki into ebandayo. Ngithi but ngiyasha I'm burning inside. So into engangipholisa mangathola into ebandayo aqhekeza umnyango. I'm using my imagination again ukuthi kambe mawuhlika la kune stepisi mawujika ngapha ukuthi ngimpompini. Fike empompini ngizithele ngamanzi. The moment ngizithela ngamanzi kuba ngathi ukushisa ngiyehla but mangisuka ngiyaqala futhi ukushisa. Ngizithele ngibuka ukuthi hayi ngathi manje sengconywana. Sengibuyela lapha eRomini at least amehlo sewayavuleka kancane. Sihlangane nenye couple. Yini kwenzakalani aphendule yena. Hayi une problem yamehlo. Ngithi yo ekwazi ukungithela ngephepper spray. Mangatshela labantu muzi uzongibulala lo muntu. Singene sihlale okay. Masisahleli kanjalo angibuzi sawuzizwa njani ngithi no at least ke manje sengiyakhona ukubona. Athi do you remember ukuthi ngize ngikuthele ngephepper spray kuqalephi? That is when ngizwe ukuthi okay should use paper spray on me. Ngithi mina ngiyakhumbula athi lento ebengiyifuna ngisayifuna namanje.
Hayibo.
Asuke esofeni ayimpedeni I have to undress myself. Ngagibela empedeni ngathi do whatever ufuna ukuyenza. He raped me salala. Ekseni mangivuka nginalento ukuthi ngifuna ukutshela abantu but because he was so quiet. Yabona lo muntu quiet lokuthiwa noma ngathiwa ubulala impukane. Ungafaka imali yakho yonke ukuthi angeke ayenze lo muntu loyo. So ngitshele ugeli lo ngithi no something happened and usebenze nepaper spray yasemsebenzini beka security. Ngifuna nokubatshela emsebenzini but ngithi yo ngizobulawa indlala. Angisebenzi angeke ngize ngithi ngisebenza umsebenzi o serious. So this person uyokwazi ukuthi athenge impuphu endlini. If ngizoyomreport asena kudla. I kept quiet. He passed away 2014.
Okay.
Uye wagula. Then 2015 umamkhulu wami passed away. So I would say both of them they were breadwinners. Then 2015 umamkhulu wami makeqeda ukushona I was like I've been raped too many times. Now the only thing efika emqondweni wami let me go and be a prostitute. Remember my prostitute uyabhadalwa. These ones who used to rape me bebangangibhadali. I think that is when manje something came to me and say ngathi you are going in a wrong direction.
Okay.
Angikufuni kule direction ngikufuna kule direction. Nga thola umsebenzi in one of the schools umntanami afunda kuso usafunda lapho. In one of the schools ngathola umsebenzi and I was like oh okay umsebenzi ngizosebenza ngizohola every month. And I think in my introduction I even forgot I've got 2 kids.
Okay.
Abanama special needs. They were supposed to be 3 but the third one he was brain dead. Mabem checker when I was pregnant. So they had to do a medical TOP. Then qala ke manje ngathi oh okay ithi ngabi a prostitute let me continue ngisebenze.
Okay.
Then there would be ama event la bengizowa attenda and ijourney yami yaqala kahle la abantu sebengirecognize khona ngecase kaTshegofatso Pule.
Okay.
Yes, because akahlali kude nasekhaya. So I went there to attend, to give support, we understand. And then the case katsegofatso, my yenzeka for 2 years. I was like, ngiloku ngiya khona. And then ngiqala ngashare ke istory sami ukuthi no man, this is what happened to me, this is how I live. We understand. People like, no, you can continue doing this as long as ufila ukuthi we are not ashamed of sharing istory sakho. Ngithi, you know what, these people baye bangichange to be someone else. Mengasakwazi even nokuthi ngihleke. The moment I hear igama elithi rape bengiba furious. The moment mangiphumile going out, abantu mabengibona will be like, hayi siyazi makhona lo ukuthi things will happen, angeke sibhoreke in because njengoba ngishilo ngithi I can talk. Kanti they didn't know ukuthi it's a cry for help. Angithi manje ngihleli bumnandi.
Yes.
I don't want to go back kule mpilo engiyiphilayo. And masihleli maybe uhleli mhlambe sekukhona ubhuti ocima ilihlo kuphi kuphi, I will go to him and say, yey ungangilingi. We understand. Not knowing ukuthi kanti ngine-anger against ebantwini besilisa.
Okay.
Yabona, singahlala sixoxe kube right. The moment you ask for my phone numbers, so ngichangeile. Asihlale nje sixoxe nje izinto generally, mhlambe uthi ngithanda the way ugqoke ngakhona or anything.
Okay.
You understand? Then I will be like, oh okay, vele umuntu kumele anconywe at the end of the day. And ukungincoma kwakho doesn't mean ukuthi sofuna ukungishela. Uyancoma nje wena ukuthi oh okay. But the moment uthi ama phone number,
Uyayisusa.
bengize ngikhumule ngisho icathulo nebag ngibeke lapha ya. Ngithi come la, I will show you. That is how I ended up having amanye ama cases. You are being arrested but not convicted. Assault, GBH. Yabona, ukuthi ukubamba kwami ngezandla ngikubambela ukuthi that time I couldn't even protect myself. And these cases awabantu besilisa, I don't fight nabantu besifazane. That's one thing.
Okay.
That is when ngabo ukuthi okay, ngisese nokwata ebantwini besilisa. Kwaloku ku escalator ke me to motivate abantu, me sharing my story kuma different podcast, even kuma I did ne SABC 1 my
Okay.
first. I did ne Soweto TV several. Ngiyenza nabo. I did na there's a channel abayibiza, I think it's Honey Channel. My horror love story, lapho bengishare story sami being HIV positive. And I didn't become infected nge-HIV through rape. I became infected ngomuntu ebese ngizwana naye.
Okay.
Azange nje aze angitshele i-status sakhe. I-status sakhe ngisithola mina ukuthi sengigulile ngavela ithumba ngaphansi. Then bathi bangitesta isyphilis. Ngaya bayitesta, then the doctor said to me, uphi umuntu obuzwana naye? Ngithi yo angisamazi mina lo muntu loyo. Ngaye ekhaya, then I went to the guy ngathi how angikho right, you don't even come uzongichecka ukuthi yini wrong. Then the guy wanted ukuthi sibe intimate again.
Yebo.
And ngaleso sikhathi leso nginethumba ngaphansi. I'm like to him, uzongena kuphi? Ngoba la ufuna ukungena khona ila kubhlungu khona. The guy just pushed me ngayowa. Remember now make ngiphusha, I can't even close inyawo because of ithumba. Ngawa kabhlungu. Yazi ngathi mangisukuma kuye, ngathi mangisukuma ngathi kuye ngizokubamba. Ngizokubamba. Le pain ongizwise yona manje. Bekumele ngabe ngithe mangena wangitatazelela. Ungigolisile, ngisesenethumba, angazi istatus sami. Ungishiye nginethumba, awungicheki. Then Monday, because this thing happened, I think Thursday or Friday. Monday ngibuyile clinic. Ngithi no, ayipheli lento. That is when, but you know, para mangifika. bangitshele ukuthi no sizolisusa instead mara ukuthi mabe kumele balisuse balidrain
Okay.
balikwatisa wes mangiphuma etheater ngivuswe ipain yenidle la kade befake khona inidle belidrain it no something is not okay kune pain nyane engayi-understand ngivuke embhedeni nge-toilet mangichama ngiyezwa manje mase ngithi ngiyasula I came across into engathi tennis ball
Sure.
ithumba manje shoot the way beselikwate ngakhona I came across into engathi tennis ball ngathi angeke kungisiza ukulwa because manje ngifuna lento bayisuse if ngizobalwisa bangangitshela ukuthi angeke basangenza next professor wabo eze ene laba kade bengidrainer ama student and we were apologize ukuthi no they were supposed ukuthi balisuse not ukuthi bakudrain ethi no it's fine wathi yena uzolisusa alisuse ke la sengidischarge wakhona uyangibiza ke ngithi yabona ngapha kunembhede ngapha kunembhede ngapha uyangibiza Dori doctor I ngiyadischarge today ngidabule nje ukuthi ngekhaya athi kimi ama results akho you are HIV positive
Yo.
Ngibhekele amehla hlengezela inyembezi ne so mawehlengezela inyembezi I'm like ungitshelile njengoba engitshela uma ngikhala izophuma izohamba it's not going anywhere now I know ukuthi kunama counseling ayi2 ebekumele ngiwathole the counseling before bengidonsa igazi and the counseling after azange ngize ngizithole my mind is going back kumamkhulu wami mamkhulu wami she was a nurse mamkhulu wami ke wangibiza wathi mntana kasisi wami kunento ekuthiwa i-AIDS ngaphandle besabizwa kanjalo ngaleso sikhathi kunento ekuthiwa i-AIDS ngaphandle ngathi ngeke izingiphathe leyo nto leyo iphatha the B word you know yes ngathi iphatha abantu abaso so mina ngibhekene nomuntu oyi1 ngesikhathi esi1 fike ekhaya ngitshela ugogo ose next door uma kanti siphambene ngendlela yobheka mina esibhedlela hey gogo man bathe esibhedlela athi ugogo yey manje ucabanga ukwenza nti ngifuna ukutshela lo mfana athi ungayomtshela ahlala phansi dasoka umagogo lo wazini I went to the guy yabathola abahleli nabangani bakhe hey sanibonani yabo kule bhande uphuma nalo esibhedlela ninjani yaphila hey so lincela ukubona yabona animalele ntla abona ibhande leli athi bathini bathi une-AIDS nawe
Wow.
like okay shoot uyasazi isitori sakho ngibheka labantu ahleli nabo abathukanga
Bayazi now.
ngithi shoot uyasazi isitori sakho ukuthi kwenzakalani athi okay hayi ngiyabonga there's no need for me ukuthi ngiqhubeke then abangani bami basho kimi ukuthi do you remember amantombazana so esike sawangcwaba bekwama girlfriend alomuntu so it means ukuthi nabo uye wabafakela so the only thing ibenzakala kuguy bekangabonakali ukuthi angithi noqaleni besithi umuntu bamncane ngomzimba ini the only thing yena ebekanayo bekuthi makeqeda ugeze ecobisa iVaseline iVaseline beyivenisha same time lapho it showed ukuthi manje he was fully blown
Okay.
the moment nje aqeda ucobisa so he's dry like nobody's business so the guy mama mabuye ngimtshela umama mithi hey bangitshela ukuthi athi mama let me tell you something mntanami can you make iclinic your friend whatever question or whatever ongayi understand ezophuma cela wenza iclinic umngani wakho ngathi kumama nami nginesicelo ngicela uthathe this information lento ngicede ukutshela yona utshela umamkhulu sengiyasaba phela ukutshela umamkhulu angithi remember ngithe kuye angisiyi the B word angithi so now njengoba sengi-HIV positive it means ukuthi nami sengifola kophi to those people
yes.
engibabize ngokuthi ama B word
Yeah.
umamkhulu wami uze washona ngazange zangibuza fine ngiloku ngiqhubeka ke ngimotivate abantu and I use ama pageant now
Okay.
yes now angithi there were kunama pageant abo Mrs Miss what in then 2014 ma umyeni makeqeda ukushona, that is when ngiqale ngagunda iChiscope.
Okay.
Nakhona futhi azange ngigunda iChiscope right away. Angithi yazi mawushonelwe umuntu ukushona umyeni uyakonda. Then ngadaya blonde.
Okay.
Then people will be like kimi udayile blonde but siyabona ukhakhayi lwakho, so why don't you vele ugunda iChiscope?
Yeah.
Then ngagunda iChiscope again. And then I'm like representing ladies abane Chiscope ukuthi iChiscope there's no need ukuthi uzushonelwe indoda, that is when uzogunda iChiscope. If you feel like ukuthi ufuna ukugunda iChiscope ungayigunda iChiscope. And then representing ama plus size as much as we've been given an opportunity to enter anywhere into esifuna ukuyingenela. And then ngo 2022 mangwena uMrs Soweto personality I cried. Angikhalelanga ukuthi ngiwinile, ngikhalela ukuthi it's my first time wearing a crown. Even nase crash makwenza ama graduation angaze ngize ngiyigqoke. So I just cried. I'm like into nento inesikhathi sayo. It means ukuthi all along bekungasi isikhathi sami sokuthi ngiyigqoke, but now sengiyakwazi ukuyigqoka. And remember, ladies who are entering ama pageant, they are going through a lot. So now I was like, let me go and target abusisi labayana.
Okay.
Remember, uma so ushadile or engaged, now uba ulo muntu ufuna ukuzibamba still. Angithi you want ukuthi ube still uthi ayisengishadile ngumama manje ini. You can't even wear swimwear. You can't even wear ibruko. You can't even wenze istyle esiso even amazipho unakekela abanye abantu more than yourself. Ngene kuma pageant, ladies are going through a lot. Angibashiya abantu besilisa, ladies are going through a lot to the point ukuthi we end up forgetting ourselves. And another thing engikhohle ukuyimention, I ended up being a perpetrator myself. We understand?
Yeah.
Being a perpetrator myself to the point ukuthi ngicine sengikhuluma ngithi fighting no boyfriend at some point, and I said to him ungenze ukuthi ngikushaye. And something just came to me ngathi ngithole impama from emoyeni.
Yeah.
At we perpetrator most now.
Yeah. So ngali.
I just took my things ngamshiya uGayi kanjalo until today. These are the words ezijwayele ukushiwa ama perpetrators. Athi ungiphushile to the point ukuthi ngikwenza into eso.
That's true.
Athi I'm not going to do this anymore. Ngilahlekelwe abantu abaningi ebengibathanda due to ukuthi bengakazilungisi mina. We understand. Akekho umuntu wesilisa ofuna umshaye ngempama.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that
akekho.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. Akekho ofuna ukhulume naye ngendlela engekho right.
Yeah.
Especially makukhona nabantu around. Yes, singakhuluma the way sikhuluma ngakhona si2 angithi. Mara makunabantu there's a certain way ekumele ngikhulume nawe ngakhona. Even noma ngiyakubona ukuthi wenza mistake, kumele it's either ngikubizela ngaphandle or ngikutshele ngihlebele ukuthi ayisithandwa sami. Lana manje so uyaphaphalaza, yabona? Ngavele ngithi, "Hayi, yabona manje wenza ukuthi labantu abakubhekile abamamele bazothini."
Yeah.
And njengoba ngishilo abantu besilisa they are going through a lot. That is why we find them ejwaleni kakhulu.
Yeah.
And kunento esengiyizwile ukuthi abantu besilisa nabo there are these certain type abahleka abanye abantu besilisa ukuthi uyishela kanjani intombazane enomntwana ikuthi awunamntwana. Now bese bayakuhleka bathi uyayenzelwa. And kanti uthola ukuthi yes ubhuti ngenzeka ukuthi ukuthandile vele angithi. And ubhuti sekayabona ukuthi at a certain age ebekumele ngabe senginabantwana.
Yeah.
But angikhona ukuthi ngibe nabo abantwana. Ithi ngithola umuntu mhlambe onabo abantwana engizothi labantwana umntana wakhe or abantwana bakhe ngibakhulise njengabantwana bami.
Yeah.
sihamba isikhathi uthola ukuthi bese kuyenzeka ukuthi abanomntwana nalomuntu
Yeah.
uyabona so what I'm trying to say ukuthi abantu besilisa they are going through a lot ukuthi nje abaphiwanga
Yeah.
ukukhuluma
Yeah.
ba bayazivalela
they're closed up. Yeah. I
Yeah.
think ngikukhathe kancane. You know what, I must say you're a special guest, you know? Because I usually interject, I usually probe, but as you're speaking, I'm just diving deeper and deeper into my mind, and I've got so many questions. But I'm going to do something I've never done before because of you. Your story is so deep and it's so broad, and there's so much that we can learn from it because there are so many segments to you. From the moment you kaza and talk, my mind has just been flaring with questions. From the moment of your first incident, rape incident, to the last moment of the latest incident, to your transition over to where you are now, and you spoke about the suicide attempts. Those are just questions that are in my mind. I feel that if I want to wrap this up in this one interview, I'm not going to do justice to your story because I know in terms of time, we're almost out of time. So please allow me to call this part 1 because you've told us about your journey. And I'm sure the guests at home have so many questions. This will be a great opportunity for them as well to give us the questions that they have for you. I already have mine. It's a whole list. I need to write them down.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I want us to reconvene. And when we reconvene, I want to unpack the lessons because what you have done now, you have just laid down the ground in terms of your journey. How far have you walked? And I still feel like there's a girl right now who just went through what you went through with your first rape incident. I would like us to address her questions because she's burning where she is. She doesn't know what to do. There's a woman right now who just endured rape from the person that she loves. She's burning right now. She wants to know, what do I do in that situation? There's a woman out there. Do you understand the amount of people that you're talking to? Because there's a woman out there who's sitting now with a razor ready to cut her wrists. I want us to talk to her. There's a woman right now who wants to come and talk to other women. There are so many. It's like you have lived so many versions of yourself, and the transition that you have had is deep. And because you've laid the ground, I'm sure they're all here with us and they're watching, and they know that from this specific episode, we're going to get a lot of learnings. You're also touching base with men, not just husbands, but men that are struggling. Just the fact that I can't talk, unlike me, Mina peperes a lot. So there are men that we need to talk to, the men that you're bringing up who are going to either be a pillar or an aggressor.
Yes.
They are in that fine line. We need to push them to the right direction. We need to give them their nutrients as well because I feel like you can also teach them something there. There's the work that you're doing as a motivational speaker and all these accolades that you're getting. I want us to talk to... I think we might do 10 episodes. Guys, I think without stretching it further, I want Mama to share, Uguti, where can we find you on social media? For this specific part 1, let's reach out to her. If you've got any questions, throw these questions to her.
Okay.
And trouble her so that she can advise you on whatever it is that you need to know. But she's going to tell us now where they can find you.
Okay. Ngizobanika ama number ne.
Okay.
It's 078 412 9036.
Okay.
078 412 9036.
Thank you.
Then Facebook uNomkhosi Msomi Indlovukazi.
Okay.
And can I say this? Ama number mangukunika, get straight to the point.
Yeah.
Ungangitshela ukuthi uyangithanda.
Okay.
The moment you say that ngiyamblock
Block.
umuntu, I'm giving my phone number so that I can help abanye abantu who are going through a lot, who wants indlela yokuhila, indlela yokuthi bangakhuluma nobani We understand. That is why I'm giving
Okay.
ama phone numbers. And let me tell you, it will be a pleasure again to come back. Because njengoba ngihlale ngisho ngithi istory sami asifuni nje episode A1
Yeah.
because I went through a lot. You understand? So definitely sure
Yeah.
I'll come back and bangafili otherwise ukuthi
Yeah.
umuntu asabe ukubuza question.
Yeah.
Because if uzofila otherwise you won't get the right answer.
Yeah,
But
true.
if ukwazi ukungibuza mina I'll explain it to
Yeah.
you.
No, thank you so much. Guys, I really appreciate having our guest today. It was a very fun experience. I could just, I'm overloaded with questions. I can't help myself. But I think, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in as well and being with us on this journey. I know you have questions. Drop them in the comment section. Whatever it is that you want to know about Umama and whatever questions you have where you are, drop them in the comment section. Let's try and see if we can help you where you are, because she's an oasis that you can keep drinking from what I can see. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and do whatever it is that you guys can do to support the platform and push it. This is part 1 from me, my beautiful guest, and the production team. It's bye for now.